Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Pinky. So guys, make sure you enjoy this video, so let's get started. So first we have to do our stuff we just did. There we go, and now we just need a skin color. Pink because Pinky is obviously pink. And then now we need a shot for a Pinky head. Pinky, there we go. And then we need, I found a Pinky head. Then we just need pink, okay, and then it's no actual pink. Okay, let's just do Pinky for this. Pinky, there we go, and then we'll find a Pinky tap, okay, and then now we just need a Pinky first, and yeah. So guys, this is how you make Pinky. Subscribe, bye.